Today's lesson is Living Things and Environment, Unit 2, page 20.
Hello, how are you, fourth grade? I miss you all. Today we are going to start a new Unit 2. We didn't take it before and we left it till now. The unit is Living Things and Environment, الكائنات الحية والبيئة. Our lesson today is 2.1, Amazing Birds, about birds, how they live in a certain habitat. And also we want to see some videos about these birds. And after my recording now, I want you to be silent for a moment and see the other video. It's not a video, it's a recording for a birds, the sound of birds. I want you to rest and hear the sound of birds. They are very nice and restful for the person. Any person likes to hear the sound of birds. They are very nice. Hope you will enjoy. It's a little music about birds. Thank you. Bye.
Amazing Birds. Birds have 5 major characteristics. الطيور بصورة عامة إلها 5 صفات رئيسية. طبعا there are more characteristics but these are major الرئيسية. All birds have feathers. كل الطيور إلها ريش. feathers ريش. All birds have wings. كل الطيور إلها أجنحة. All birds have beaks. منقار. All birds lay eggs. جميع الطيور تضع بيوض. All birds have a skeleton. كل الطيور عندها هيكل عظمي. Repeat every sentence. Have beaks. All birds lay eggs. All birds have a skeleton. Look at the following pictures and notice how each bird is adapted to help them survive in their habitat. هون في عندنا الصور موجودين بالكتاب page 20. I want you to look at each picture now in the slides and notice how each bird is adapted. Adapted يعني بتتكيف تتأقلم to help them survive عشان يعيشوا وتستمر الحياة من أجل البقاء في الموطن اللي بيعيشوا فيه. habitat اللي هي الموطن مكان السكن. eagles sharp eyes for hunting. في عندهم عيون قوية عشان يصيدوا الفريسة. في عندهم powerful wings. عندهم أجنحة قوية عشان تطير بسرعة وتزقط الفريسة. for lifting prey. prey هي الفريسة. تصطاد الفريسة. Some eagles can kill and carry away small sheep. كمان بيقدروا يصيدوا الخروف من قوة الأجنحة تبعتهم. من قوة المخالب. في عندهم مخالب. sharp talons اللي هي مخالب. look these are sharp يعني حادين. إيش يعني حادين؟ قوايا فيهم قوة متينين. for holding and tearing at flesh. إيش يعني؟ عشان تمسك وتمزق. holding تمسك. tearing تمزق. الفلش اللي هي الفريسة اللي هي قاضية عليها. so eagles have sharp eyes, powerful wings. Some eagles can kill and carry away small sheep, and they have sharp talons for holding the flesh. These are the characteristics of the eagles, النسور أو النسر. Penguins, البطريق. All of you know what is penguins. Look at their eyes. They are sharp so as to hunt fish. They have sharp bill for catching fish. برضو المناقير تاعينهم بلقطوا السمك. Thick feathers. عندهم الريش خميل so as to keep in body heat عشان يحافظوا على درجة الحرارة. webbed feet for swimming. هدول بيساعدوهم إنهم يسبحوا الأرجل يساعدوهم على السباحة. The penguins lived at South Pole in temperature they which is cold as -40 degrees in winds of up to 100 km/h. البطريق بعيش في درجة حرارة ناقص 40 درجة مئوية زي ما بتعرفوا بالقطب الشمالي. سرعتهم بتكون 100 كيلو متر. The swift الطائر السريع. The swift they have sharp eyes for hunting. العيون حادة بتشوف الفريسة for hunting للصيد. smooth body shape for high speed. هذا الشكل الانسيابي عشان بيساعد على السرعة. high speed السرعة العالية. wings for high speeds. look بتساعده برضو إنه السرعة. many things for speed. the smooth body, the wings stuck in for high speed. it can fly بطير to 170 km/h. سرعته هذا الطائر السريع 170 كيلومتر في الساعة. يعني لما يطير ساعة كاملة it flies 170 كيلومتر. look at his beak منقاره شكل منقاره for catching insects عشان يصطاد الحشرات. so the swift have sharp eyes, smooth body for high speed, wing tucks for high speed, shaped beak for catching insects, and it fly 150 km/h. Watch the following video.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about birds. Birds are a large group of animals. They are vertebrates, which means they have backbones, and like mammals, they are warm-blooded. All birds have 2 legs, wings and feathers, a beak or bill, and they lay eggs. Birds can be found everywhere in the world, from the frigid Antarctic to hot desert climates to oceans. They range in size from the tiny bee hummingbird, only 5 centimeters or 2 inches in length, to the ostrich, 2.75 meters or 9 feet tall. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. Birds are everywhere. Birds eat many different types of food. Some eat insects. Some eat fish. Some eat meat. And some eat seeds, fruit, or nectar. Most birds fly, but not all of them. Some birds, like penguins, use their wings to help them swim instead. Other birds, like the ostrich, don't need to fly because they can run so fast. Still others, like the kiwi, were able to do without flight because the islands on which they live had few native predators. Birds are some of the most colorful animals on the planet. While many birds have feathers that are brown, gray, black, or white, colors that help camouflage them and hide them from sight, other birds put on beautiful displays. In many cases, when we see a brightly colored bird, it is the male. Females are often more quiet colors that make them harder to spot. The male birds wear their bright, bold feathers to show the females how strong and healthy they are, so the females know that they would make a good father. Once eggs have been laid, someone has to take care of them. In some bird species, both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm or incubating them. In others, only one parent does. Once the eggs have been laid, they may take as little as 10 days to hatch, or as many as 80. When the eggs hatch, the baby birds need help to survive, some more than others. Some baby birds hatch blind and featherless and need to be fed and kept warm by their parents. Other chicks are ready to run around and eat the same day they hatch out. There are even a few kinds of birds that can fly and take care of themselves as soon as they hatch. Other birds, however, will take care of their chicks for a very long time. The greater frigate bird will help feed and take care of its chick for almost 2 years after it hatches. Many types of birds are important to humans. Some birds are kept for their eggs or meat. Some birds are kept for their beautiful feathers. Still other birds are kept as pets. Most birds, however, are wild animals, and while we may enjoy watching them, they should be left alone. I hope you enjoyed learning about birds today. Goodbye till next time.
In your book, you have activity 2.1, page 21. Bird watching, يعني مراقبة الطيور. تراقب الطيور. After reading the activity in your learner's book, make a plan for bird watching near your home. اطلع برا بيتك، حط هيك خطة معينة، ممكن انت واهلك، اصحابك، اخوتك، و watch the birds near your home. Try to spend time observing birds. حاول هقضي وقت وانت تراقب الطيور. Try watching birds at different times of the day. في عدة فترات مختلفة من النهار، ممكن الصبح، الظهر، العصر، المساء. As you like. Is there any certain time of the day you notice more birds? I want you to notice which time of the day you notice more birds. أي وقت ممكن تشوف طيور أكتر، كمية أكتر، الصبح، الظهر، العصر. Because you want to try to spend time. You need time, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, as you like. Listen to this recorded audio for the birds.
Here, these birds are amazing.
Thank you, fourth grade. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed and understand the lesson. God bless you.